This week I am setting up and reviewing these solar pathway lights in my driveway. It's officially spring and I have a lot of yard work to do, but I wanted to spruce up things and get these in. The assembly is pretty straightforward, and overall I like the design. Just remember to flip the on switch. Okay, so the only major downside to these is this tube is plastic and this spike that goes into here is so close to the diameter of this that when you push it in too hard, it will literally crack it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to pull this out. Okay, so I got that pulled out, and I'm going to put some glue in here to get that to hold, and then I'll put the lamp side on the glue side, since it doesn't need as much support, and we'll try to get it in the ground again. Okay, so nice sunny day, they're going to get charged, and I'll show them tonight. And we'll go from there. So yeah, if you're installing them into garden type areas like this or along the house, you aren't going to have much issue getting them in, but when it's next to a blacktop driveway, you may have a mild issue if there's any blacktop underneath. Even though I had issues with one, it still looks amazing. And since it uses a more yellowish light, it matches the rest of my outdoor illumination. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to put them in the comments below. I will try to get back to them as quick as I can. And if you like this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, have a great one.